Synthetic oil in 2026 isn't just pick a famous brand and hope. The right oil depends on what your engine asks for, viscosity and spec, how you drive, short trips versus highway, and whether your engine is new or has higher mileage. Here's a more detailed real-world breakdown of these 5 oils, what they're good at, and who should actually buy them. Model 8100 X Clean EFE 5W30. This one is a strong pick if you drive a modern engine that cares about emissions, system friendliness, and consistent protection under heat. Motul's 8100 line is popular with owners who do longer highway drives, spirited driving, or just want a premium oil that stays stable across the interval. In day-to-day use, what you're paying for is a formula that resists thinning when the engine gets hot, keeps deposits under control, and supports cleaner operation over time. The X-Clean style oils are often chosen by people with vehicles that have advanced emissions equipment and tighter tolerances, because the oil is designed to work well with those systems. If your vehicle spec calls for a quality 5W30 and you want an oil that's known for cleanliness and strong high-temp stability, this is a great choice. Just make sure your car's required approvals match before buying, because this is usually chosen for spec compliance, not just the brand name. Amsoil Signature Series 5 W30 Synthetic Motor Oil. This is the premium maximum protection option in your list. People buy Amsoil Signature Series because they want strong resistance to breakdown and consistent viscosity, especially if they drive a lot, do heavy highway miles, or keep their cars long-term. In real use, a high-end oil like this shines when the engine is under stress. Hot climates, frequent long drives, towing, or higher RPM usage. It's also popular for people who want confidence in oil staying stable during extended intervals. But the important part is still following your manufacturer's recommendations and using proper filtration. What you'll notice in daily driving is usually a smooth, stable feel and good long-term cleanliness if the engine is maintained properly. It's not required for everyone, but if you want a top-tier synthetic and you don't mind paying extra for peace of mind, this is the premium buy. Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic. This is the practical, mainstream option that works well for a huge number of cars that call for 5W30. Castrol Edge is popular because it's easy to find, priced fairly, and consistent in everyday use. For city driving, short trips, commuting, and mixed highway use, it provides strong protection and keeps the engine running smoothly without overthinking it. The big real-world benefit is reliability. It handles heat well, maintains stable viscosity for normal oil change intervals, and offers solid deposit control if you keep up with maintenance. The EcoPack format is also convenient, easier storage, usually less mess while pouring, and a good choice if you're doing DIY oil changes. If you want a well-known synthetic from a major brand that will perform well in most daily driving situations, this is the safe pick that rarely disappoints. Mobil 1 Extended Performance High Mileage 5W20. This is the older engine needs a little extra care, oil, specifically for engines that require 5W20. The high mileage part matters if your car has a lot of miles, and you're noticing things like minor oil consumption, small seepage, or just a slightly rougher feel compared to when it was new. High mileage formulas typically include a more supportive additive package and seal conditioners to help older seals stay flexible. In real use, this oil is a smart pick for daily drivers that are past the midlife stage, especially if they do lots of stop-and-go driving or short trips that can increase engine deposits. The extended performance label is aimed at longer intervals, but the real value is the added protection and stability for older engines. If your car takes 5W20 and it's higher mileage, this is one of the safest synthetic options. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 0W20. This is a great match for newer cars that require 0W20, especially modern engines that prioritize fuel economy and fast cold start protection. The 0W rating means it flows more quickly when the engine is cold, which is when a lot of wear happens, like morning starts and short trips. In real use, this oil is great for commuters and city drivers because it helps with smoother cold starts and consistent lubrication, especially in cooler climates or vehicles that don't always get long warm-up runs. Valvoline's advanced full synthetic line is a solid everyday option that balances performance, protection, and cost. If your owner's manual calls for 0W20, this is a dependable choice that supports efficiency while still offering good protection for normal service intervals. The golden rule: follow your owner's manual for viscosity and required approvals, because the best oil is the one that matches your engine spec. If you want a premium 5W30 with a strong reputation for cleanliness and stability, Motul is a great pick. And if you want top-tier protection and don't mind paying extra, Amsoil is the premium route. For a reliable everyday 5W30, Castrol Edge is a safe mainstream option. For higher mileage engines that take 5W20, Mobil 1, high mileage extended performance is a smart move. And for modern cars needing 0W20, Valvoline is a dependable daily synthetic.